my name's Natalia, and last week you all decided for some more home decor. So today I'm gonna show you how to create this gravity blanket. It's a heavy blanket that weighs you down when you're sleeping to fight anxiety, depression and stress. And I can tell you that this definitely works because I have dealt with anxiety and depression and stress, and having something heavy like this on top of you really calms you down and just feels like a big giant hug. And there are a lot of studies supporting this claim. Try creating this blanket as a tool to fight it. Now you decide what I should create next week by voting in the card above. And let's begin. Here's what you need to create this blanket. Take your duvet cover and flip it inside out. Fold it out on your table or on the floor. Then take your quilt batting and spread it out on the cover. Pin the sides of the quilt batting onto the duvet cover and then sew all the sides. And only sew along the edges of the duvet cover. And you should only sew 3 sides of your duvet cover, so the opening should not be touched. Now flip it inside out. Lay it flat on your table or on the floor again, because we need to make some rows along the duvet cover. So divide the short side of your duvet cover with the number of rows you want, and measure and mark accordingly to your calculations. And continue measuring and marking along the duvet cover until you reach the end. Then pin along the lines you just made. And if you're just a master sewer, maybe just skip this part. Now sew along the lines you just made. And don't worry about the opening on the duvet cover, this is necessary. And if you have a teeny tiny table like I have, you can just use a chair to help you hold it up. So just continue sewing until all of your vertical lines are created. When you're done sewing, we need to create some horizontal ones. But first, measure and mark 5 centimeters from the edge. This is so we can make a fold that can hide all of the string from the sewing machine. So pin this fold down and sew it shut so none of the gravel will end up here. Then divide the long side of your duvet cover with a number of rows you want. Then measure and mark accordingly to your calculations from the fold you just made. And continue doing so all the way across your duvet cover until you reach the end. Before sewing the horizontal lines, we need to measure how much gravel we need. So the amount of gravel you need depends on your body weight and the number of pockets. My calculations for my blanket look like this, which means that my blanket will end up weighing 7 kilos. And I have to put 31 grams of gravel in each of the pockets. Sift your gravel so you only get the tiny stones and none of the sand. This is the amount of sand you'll end up with when you're sifting 7 kilos. Each corner on the duvet cover at the opening is unfortunately closed, so you need to open it up with a pair of scissors. And you also need to repeat this on the opposite corner. When all of the rows are opened up, take the amount of gravel you need and pour it into one of the rows. Then shake your blanket so the gravel ends up in the other end. So continue this process of pouring in the gravel and shaking your duvet cover until all of the rows have enough gravel for one pocket. When all of the rows are filled with these pocket gravels, pin them down along the line you made earlier. When you're sewing, use a chair to help you hold the blanket up because it will get heavy. And when you're sewing, make sure that all of the gravel is off to one side so don't accidentally break a needle or 2 or 3. This is the size of the pocket on my blanket. So continue this process of filling all of the rows with some gravel, then shake your duvet and sew it all together. When you've made all of the pockets, we need to fold in the sides to hide all of the threads. So measure 2 centimeters inwards from the edges and then fold it into the blanket. Pin the fold down and start sewing. And you also need to repeat this process on the other side of the blanket. When all of the sewing is completed, you'll have the best blanket and you'll get the best sleep ever. And if you're afraid of doing this project because you don't know how to use a sewing machine, look at how many mistakes I made. I have never used a sewing machine before, So this was the amount of mistakes I did. If I can make this blanket, so can you. Now I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out of any future videos. And if you're looking for more home decor DIYs, check out these videos here, and I will see you soon with more ideas. Bye!